हेलो गाइस, माय नेम इज आदि एंड एवरीवन वाचिंग वे टू सक्सेस। मुझे पता है आप वे टू सक्सेस चैनल को देखते ही होंगे और आज ऐसा ही इंटरव्यू मैं आपके लिए लाया हूँ। ओके सो बिना देरी करे हम इंटरव्यू को स्टार्ट कर देते हैं। ओके सो हमारे सामने है इंटरव्यू के लिए मनस्वानी। तो मैं उनसे एक पहला ही क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा जो हर एक इंटरव्यू में होता है और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। ओके सो कैन यू टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ?
Yeah. So first of all, thank you for giving me opportunity. This is Manashwini. Basically, I'm from Odisha. Also, I'm right now staying in Odisha. So, if I'm talking about my like education background, so I have done with CS background actually in pass out 2022, and right now just 6 months before I had done also Java course in Bangalore, and that's all about my qualification background. And if I'm starting out my hobbies, so my hobbies are like listening music and watching some motivational videos. That's all. And also during my academic session I have done some project, basic project, like the such as the flight reservation system. And in that project I have mentioned like core Java, Spring Boot, Spring, Hibernate, REST API. Okay, so that's all about my project. That, thank you.
Good, good. Okay, so my first question for you, because this interview based on core Java, guys. Okay, so can you tell me the difference in between core Java and advanced Java?
Yeah. So first of all, I would like to say something like in Core Java is object-oriented programming language. Okay, there are four pillars of object. Pillars of object. First one is inheritance, polymorphism,
Yeah.
encapsulation, and data hiding means abstraction. Okay. So in if I'm talking about advanced Java automatic whatever you doing automatically like auto configuration. Okay,
Okay.
and you cannot do anything, it's not manual, you just automatically you just write the code and implement automatically. Okay, but in
Okay.
core Java there are you have to implement lots of things. That is the
Okay.
major difference between core Java and advanced Java, right? So
Yes.
yeah, that's it.
Okay. Okay. Good. No problem. What is the difference between static variable and final variable?
Yeah. So static variable, first of all, like static variable is a like it belongs to class. Okay, means it's um, inside the class, outside the method. Okay,
Yes.
but in
Right.
final variable, like it's you cannot change any value. Okay,
Yes. Right.
if you want to change any value or any kind of method, okay, so you cannot able to change it's constantly. Okay, if you write
Yes.
like suppose int x.
Okay. Hello. Hello. Are you here? Your voice is not coming and screen also paused.
Sorry.
Yeah, can you tell me repeat because your internet connection I think not stable.
Yeah, it's yeah, okay. Oh yeah.
Okay.
So can I start right now?
Yes,
One
yes,
second.
yes, yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
fine. So static means only it belongs to class, not object. Without
Okay.
object, it cannot implement. Okay, but in final variable, you cannot change any value. Also, you cannot change any like parameter. You cannot change any data type. It's constant. Okay, but in static without automatic means like it's also using constructor also. Okay, so static is permanently like you can change any value you if you want to modify, you can modify. That's it.
Okay, okay, okay. All right. My next question for you. Mm, why to use constructor in Java? What is the benefit when to use
uh
constructor?
Yeah. So first of all, why we needed constructor in our project or in our program? Okay. So
Yes.
first thing, constructor, it's mostly like used for initialization of an object. Okay. So
Okay.
without object, you cannot. Without constructor, you cannot implement object actually. Okay. So it's
Okay.
most needed to implement first object. So object is belongs to constructor also,
Yes.
right?
Right.
So first thing, like initialize an object. So that's the reason constructor, we are using constructor in any program.
Yes. 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 Good. There are what are the types of constructor? You know that.
Yes, there are two types of constructor. First one is parameterized constructor, and second one is default constructor. So, starts from parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor means you have able to pass any kind of means like parameter. Okay, so it's not constant. Okay, like means suppose like for example int x. Okay, I want to put some value in it. Okay, for example int x equal to 10, y equal to 20. Okay, that's it. But in default constructor you don't have able to pass any value in it.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so that is major difference between like parameterized constructor and default constructor.
Okay. And
And
what
also
about?
constructor not even
Yes.
void also, there is no return type any means no return any value, even
Yes. Yes.
void also.
Yes. Right.
Okay.
Right. Constructor
Yeah.
having no return type. Right.
Yeah,
What
yeah, sure.
about this keyword and this call?
Yeah, this keyword like it object or like current object actually. Okay, it's
Okay.
indicate to current object. And this keyword with the means it's more like means it's current working area actually. Okay,
Okay.
means and also this keyword refers to like also using constructor also this keyword. Okay,
Okay.
means you achieve this keyword using constructor also.
Can we refer static members by using this keyword?
Static, sorry.
Static members means static variables and static method. Can we refer by using this keyword?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. What about super?
Yeah. Super keyword, like super keyword is a like suppose um what-
Yeah. Yeah.
sorry,
Tell me.
actually I
No.
didn't right now. Just a second, give me some time
Okay.
to
Okay. No problem.
like uh, it means like
It's refer to the parent class instance.
reference to parent class actually.
Yes.
So it's refers to like all the that means data members and member function. So it like refers to parents class to child class.
Yes. 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 And I was also one question that is remaining. What about this call?
This call, right?
Yes.
uh Sorry, actually I don't have much more idea about that
Okay. Okay. No
actually.
problem. It's for constructor call. When we want to call to the constructor, then by using this call we can call the another constructor.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
sure.
and this call is
Okay,
only used inside the constructor first line only. Okay, and same
okay,
with
okay,
super call, we can use super call to call the parent class constructor. Okay.
okay, all right.
Okay, no problem. Can you tell me in Java how we can create the object? What are the different types of way to create the object?
Yeah. So, like you can use lots of like ways to create an object. First one is
Okay.
a new keyword. Okay. Second one is like using means deserialization, right? And
Okay.
also clone. Also, you can use like an object. Okay. So also like a new operator.
Yeah. Okay, okay, right, right. Okay. Can you tell me in Java how many final class are there that are predefined?
Final class, right?
Yes.
Means like sorry, I didn't get your point. One second, repeat it.
The question is that in Java, how many final classes are there?
Final Q are like string
String
that
is a final class. Yes, string is a final class,
yeah,
right or wrong? Yes. And there is something called wrapper classes. All wrapper classes
Wrapper
are
class. Yes, yes,
also
yes,
fine.
yes, yes. All data
Yes,
type
yes.
are wrapper class actually.
Yes, yes. What will happen when we make a class as a final?
No, actually, in class is final. You cannot change any value in it.
When we make class as a final,
So it's like whatever you written. So in your you just you cannot modify. You cannot rectify all details. Actually, it's constant. It's stable. So that's the
firstly,
reason
we need
it's
to say
maybe
that,
secure, right?
yes,
Maybe security. Yeah,
yes, yes, yes. We cannot extend that class. If the class
yeah,
is
yeah.
final, then we cannot extend. That means we cannot
Yes,
inherit the
you
property of
cannot
that
do
class.
anything about it actually. So it's just final. So we cannot modify, you cannot extend also, you cannot do anything, right?
We can access, na? We can access that
Yeah,
things.
access, yes,
Yes,
access it, but
yes.
it's not changed.
Okay, we
It
cannot
cannot,
modify. Okay, okay,
yeah, yeah.
okay. What about protected variable?
Protected variable means it's access modifier, right?
Yes.
It's access modifier. Like you can only just class within class, but not mention only means one protected class actually cannot implement outside the class actually.
Okay, that means we cannot access protected variable outside the class.
Yeah,
Yeah, we can access. We can access. But variable, if the private, then we cannot access. But
yes,
can we
it's
access
if
protected?
variable is private, it's variable is public, then you only you can access it, but it's once private, so cannot access in protected, right?
Okay, okay. But protected, if the variable is protected, can we access
Yeah.
outside
No, no,
class?
no, 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 no. I think it's not.
No, we can access. If the variable is protected, we can access outside the class also. We can access outside the package also. Okay. But if you're trying to access outside package, then we need to implement the child class of that class. And after that, we can access that protected variable. Okay, no
Okay, okay.
problem. Can we make method as a private?
Method as a private, right?
Yeah.
Method as yes, you can.
Yes, we can make a method as a private, but there is no any sense to make a method as a private, right?
No, no, suppose for method. No, no, it's not actually. Sorry.
Okay, okay, no problem. Why to make variable as a private? What will benefit we got when we make variable as a private?
Nobody can access it. It's only just a security purpose, right?
Right, right, for the
Uh,
security. Yes, right, right,
yeah,
right.
for this.
Okay, what's the difference between map and list interface?
Yes. So first thing, list interface. List interface, suppose, uh, list interface only just means uh, we cannot implement. We can insert duplicate variable, duplicate element. Okay, but
We can
in
insert,
map you
yes.
cannot. Yeah, you can't insert, right?
Then no,
But
no,
in
we can
map it's
insert. Inside list, we can insert duplicate elements.
no, no. In list you can insert duplicate value, but
Okay,
but in map you cannot insert duplicate element, right?
okay.
And also map. The map is it's a key and value
Yeah.
pair actually.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
and also list you can sorry, actually I didn't get until right now. So
Okay, no problem, no problem. Basically, map store the value in form of key and value pair, right? Key and value pair.
yeah,
So value are the duplicate, no problem, but key cannot be duplicate. And inside list,
yes,
we
yes.
have duplicate values. We can have number of null values. There are the insertion order, right? Lots of thing in the list. But when we want to store the data in form of key and value, then go for map. Okay, and if you want to store the different types of data, then go for list interface. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
There is something called hash table in map interface. You know that what is hash table?
Yes, has table like it is key and value pair actually,
Yeah.
and also has map it's insert duplicate element. Okay, and also it is means thread
Synchronize.
synchronize. Okay,
Yes.
and like that's it.
Okay.
I know
How
that.
to add elements inside the map? Which method we need to
put
use?
put method, if you want to insert some elements. Okay, so you can use put method,
And
add
what is the
method
return
put.
type of that put method?
uh Put
Return type.
I
Put is a method,
void.
right? So it's having
Yeah,
return type.
void. Void.
Void. Okay, no problem. How to add elements in array list?
Array list you can put means add method
Yes, yes, yes. We have add method. Okay.
yeah.
Okay, no problem. Can you tell me if I want to add the elements inside the array, how we can add?
Inside the array, right?
Yes.
um to add method something.
No, no. There is no any method. Array follow indexing. So by using indexing, we can only add element, right? Using indexing. Okay. 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 Can you tell me what is the disadvantage of array?
Yes, disadvantage of array, first thing actually, you cannot you cannot fix, actually it's in fixed in size actually in array.
Yes.
But
Right.
a disadvantage of array, so it's what it means, suppose you extend more one to more elements, so you cannot extend actually. It's fixed and permanent actually. It's follow index value, right? So that is
Yes.
one major major disadvantage of array actually.
Yes, right. Array is fixed in size. Okay.
Fixed in size,
But if
yeah.
I talk about collection framework, there is we can
Yeah, multi. Yes, and another one is it is a means a homo, not homo, means a heterogeneous in collection,
yes,
but it's homogeneous. You can put only similar data type, but in collection, you can put you can add multiple objects, multiple data type. Okay,
yes,
for
yes.
example, int, double, uh, all returns. Okay, so that is the major difference between array and the collection.
Okay,
And
okay.
it's a collection, it's group of object actually. Okay, you
Yes.
whatever you doing it's suppose no any restriction, no any foundation also. Okay, so whatever your requirement, whatever you you are performing, so you can do. But in array, there are some major points that you have to most follow. First
Okay.
one is fixed in size. Okay, so but in collection there is no any fixed in size, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
In which package we have object class?
Sorry.
In which package we have object class?
Util dot package.
Util, are you sure?
Long, sorry, long dot package.
Which package?
Means it's long dot
Java.lang
package.
package.
Yeah.
Java.lang. Okay. In that package, we have something called object class. And what is the super class of all classes in Java?
Object.
Yes, object class is the super class of
Super class of
any
all
every
the
class.
class. Yeah.
Yes. Have you used for loop?
Yes.
You know about for each loop also, right?
Yes, I know.
So can you tell me difference in between for loop and for each loop? Have you see any difference or both are same?
uh No, both are not same in my point of view. Okay,
Okay.
maybe there is some major difference between each other. Okay, so first thing for loop only just first one is data type. You have to add some data type. Uh, then after that, like serialization, deserialization also included. And but in for each loop, like only just mention data type statement. And one is means also you can you add like serial means increment operator and decrement operator, right? So like that's it.
Okay, no problem. There is basic difference in between that for loop and for each loop. And all guys who are seeing this interview, guys, I have also made the playlist for this. That is the interview preparation series. You can go through
Okay.
that series. You will get each and every question answer. Okay, so just link
Okay.
in the description box. You can go and watch this series. Okay, it will
Okay. Okay. Sure.
very beneficial for you. Okay, so basically for loop having increment, right? But for each having not any increment. But actually when for each will compiled, that time it will converted into for loop. Okay, it will
Oh
converted
yeah.
after the compilation. That means both are the same, but the purposes, the uses of both are different. When we want to iterate
Okay.
the
Okay.
array, then we can use for loop. That means we know that exact iterations, how many times loop will execute. but when we don't know that how many times loop will be iterate, then go for each loop. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
no problem. You are also saying good answers, and you know that all things in Java very clearly. Okay, I like that. I will ask some few questions and we will stop. Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Can you tell me in Java how many ways to handle the exception?
Yes. So there are two types of ways to handle exception. Okay, first
Yeah.
one is try and catch block. Okay,
Yes.
so yeah, so try and catch block. Like suppose like exception handling. Okay, like suppose what means you retain any codes. Okay, and in between you want to change, you want to find any error. Okay, any kind of error means maybe runtime error and maybe compile time error. Okay, so in that like exception. Okay, so you using only just you, if you want to modify, if you want to change something na, so it's just like you using some try and catch block in between.
Okay. And what about throw and throws keyword? When to use that?
Throw and throws key like it is used for like multiple threading. Like you use like suppose one to many if one to many like thread in doing simultaneously, so that time use like throw and throws.
Okay, but the basic use of throw is for the throw the custom exceptions, user define exception. We can use throw, and
Yes,
throws
yes, yes.
we can use for the declare the exception. That means
Yeah.
anyone can handle that exception who call that method.
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me what is JDK, JRE, JVM?
Yes. So JVM, it stands for Java Virtual Machine. Okay, and JDK Java Development Kit. Okay, and JRE Java Runtime Runtime. Sorry, so, sorry, so what I'm saying. JDK, right?
JDK.
Java Development Kit. Okay.
Okay.
So in JVM, I am just talking about JVM. Okay, it's like compilation time. Okay, means it's just code code reusability. Okay, that time like means your execution time. Okay, and JRE, it's like Java runtime. Okay, so Java runtime only just you implement only like runtime. Whatever you doing, only just you written. You just wanted to know like runtime error. Okay, and JRE like JRE means it's like what only just like for it's used for only exception means like education means runtime
Okay, it will
implementation.
provide runtime environment.
Yeah,
Okay, in Java, which topic you like most?
means core Java.
Yes, core Java.
Core Java whose concept.
oops concept. Okay, and we are also remaining oops concept to ask you. Can you tell me what is method overloading and what is method overriding? What is the difference in between that?
Yes. It belongs to actually polymorphism. Okay,
Okay.
so the first one is polymorphism means means many, and form is
Yes.
okay. So polymorphism is only just showing just a data member and member function. Okay, only just means only just create a single, means only just create single. Okay, I
No.
mean, suppose for example there are two types of polymorphism. One is static polymorphism. Okay, and
Yes.
another one is dynamic, or else you can consider in static polymorphism it's compile time also polymorphism. Okay, and another one is runtime in dynamic. Okay,
Okay.
so also compile time polymorphism is called as also method overloading. Means
Overload.
method
Yes.
overloading, it means uh, same class, same class, same method, but in different parameter and different type of parameter, that is known
Yes.
as method overloading. Okay,
Yes. Right.
but yeah, but in method override. Okay, method override means overriding, it's only just modify, but data type and parameter rise is constant, but only just change method. Okay, means suppose for example void m1, void m2. Okay, there are two types of method, right? One is first one is a method m1, method m2. So that's
Okay. No, overriding is also same method name also. Okay, but it's occur. One is parent class and one is the child class. That means we need two
yeah.
classes for overriding, right? And that is the parent-child relationship also in that. And method name is
Yeah.
same, method parameter also same. Okay. So this is overriding. That means existing method we need to implement, update to that methods. For that we use method overriding. Okay, can we overload the constructor?
We can.
Overload, yes, we can overload constructor also, right?
Oh,
We
overload. Okay, okay.
yes,
Actually, I'm just thinking about over
right.
like.
No, no, no. We
Okay.
cannot override. We just overload. Okay. My next question for you. Can you tell me what is which concept is remaining? Yes. What is the difference between interface and abstract class?
Yes. So in abstract class actually only means one abstract keyword actually. Okay,
Okay.
but in a interface 1 to 0 to 100% are actually incomplete abstract class actually. Okay,
Okay.
so interface it using it is final static method, but in abstract class only just means only just extend abstract keyword something.
No, 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 no. You need to prepare that. Okay. But listen, abstract class, we can achieve 0 to 100% abstraction. You are saying right. Okay.
Yeah.
In abstract class, we have any type of method. That means static method, we have instance method, we have, right? And also one special method, that is abstract method we have. But in the case of
Okay.
interface, we have a variable that is public static final and method as an abstract method only. Okay. After the one point in, we have static and default also method in that. Okay.
Yes.
But interface having, we can achieve full abstraction. That is 100% abstraction we can achieve by using interface. Okay. And difference in between that, little bit difference. That is interface having only abstract method, but abstract class having any type of method, right?
Yes.
Interface cannot contain constructor, but abstract class having constructor. Okay, so
Yes, yes.
basic difference in between that we need to understand and we need to tell interview. Okay, but you are going right way. Okay, are you having good knowledge also in core Java? But some little bit concepts you are struggling for that. Okay, so you need to just prepare that concept, and when the interviewer asks you questions, that time you can just say that answer. Okay. Okay, okay. So, what's your name? I forgot your name.
Yeah, Manashwini.
Manaswani. You are good at core Java. Okay, but little bit improvement I expect from you. And
Yeah,
after
yeah,
that
sure.
improvement,
Definitely, I will do my best actually. I'm
yes.
just practicing actually every day, and also I'm just trying to achieve like my goals and whatever I want to achieve in my life. So definitely, I will do my best.
Basically, your communication, English communication is better than me also. Okay, but in the
No, no,
interview
it's not like that.
perception,
Uh,
in the interview perception,
yeah,
our communication is also good, but
yeah.
knowledge we have also good,
Yes,
right?
yes, both are needed actually in
Yes, both are
interview
needed.
time. Actually, if you have good communication, but you don't have like a good knowledge, so also it's like means a bad impression, right? So
Yes,
both
yes,
are needed actually. Both are important for everyone, not only me, but not only you also. But
yes.
everyone should be like our these two things actually.
Yes, yes, yes. Whoever see this interview, guys, just listen whatever months money says to you or telling to you, because both are needed for interview, right? And I
Yeah,
would
yeah, sure, sure.
just give the suggestion to you. That is, you are saying every answer like just like. So this you can that means improve yourself, because I will tell in Hindi, because बहुत सारे हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं ना जिन्हें इंग्लिश नहीं आता. ओके, सो
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ,
देखो गाइज, इंटरव्यू में आंसर देते टाइम आप क्या करो, आप क्या कर रहे हो पता है? जस्ट लाइक ऐसे बार बार कह रहे हो तो उसका बैड इम्पैक्ट थोड़ा सा पड़ता है
हाँ,
इंटरव्यू में.
हाँ,
ओके,
हाँ,
तो
हाँ, हाँ,
आंसर
हाँ, हाँ,
आंसर देते टाइम आप स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड स्टार्ट हो जाओ. जस्ट लाइक ऐसे मत मत कहो. ठीक है, मेरी भी एक हैबिट थी ओके ओके कहने की, तो मैंने भी खुद को कंट्रोल किया है
ओके,
उसके ऊपर. तो ये जो है ना, ये क्या कर देता है इंटरव्यू में आंसर, मतलब इधर ही रह जाता है वो, जस्ट लाइक ऐसे ही हो जाता है. तो इतना
हाँ,
सारा
हाँ,
होने के बाद थोड़ा सा इंप्रेशन बैड पड़ता है इंटरव्यू में. बाकी आपका नॉलेज, आपका कोर जावा के कॉन्सेप्ट्स बहुत क्लियर है. ओके, मैं तो कहूंगा 80% आपका क्लियर है. कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा है, कॉन्फिडेंस आपका ऊपर लेवल का है. तो आप क्या करो, थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूवमेंट करो.
थैंक यू सो मच।
यस, थोड़ा सा कम्युनिकेशन आपका अच्छा है, बट थोड़े से नॉलेज के ऊपर थोड़े कॉन्सेप्ट डीप में अंडरस्टैंडिंग करो. जैसे
हाँ,
कि
हाँ, हाँ,
जेडीके, जीआरई, कलेक्शन फ्रेमवर्क इंपॉर्टेंट है. उप्स तो आपका अच्छा ही है. ठीक है, बाकी एक्सेप्शन हैंडलिंग भी अच्छा करो. तो कुछ सजेशन देना चाहूंगा और सभी को देना चाहूंगा. अगर आपको भी इनके जैसा कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप करना है, कम्युनिकेशन बिल्डअप करना है, आइए मेरे साथ इंटरव्यू दीजिए, मॉक इंटरव्यू दीजिए. आपका इससे कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा. और आप यूट्यूब पे जा रहे हो, लगभग 1500 जन सब्सक्राइबर्स आपको देख रहे हैं. फ्यूचर में बढ़ भी जाएंगे.
अच्छा,
आपका इंटरव्यू
या
इस
श्योर।
यूट्यूब पे रहेगा.
So
मतलब
that's the
बहुत
reason
सारी
actually
चीज.
it's very good chance to like better opportunity to improve my communication skill and improve my knowledge skills also. So that's the reason I'm just I want to join any means already I have joined actually 2 to 3 in mock test actually because only
यस,
for improve my skills and communications already.
यस, यस,
So
गुड गुड गुड. देखो
very
ऐसे ही करना पड़ेगा
effective
आपको.
actually.
जितने आप मॉक
Yeah.
इंटरव्यू दोगे, इतना उतना आपका कॉन्फिडेंस, सारे स्किल्स आपके बढ़ जाएंगे. और जब आप रियल
Yes.
इंटरव्यू फेस करोगे, इतना इजी जाएगा, इतना इजी जाएगा, आप सोच भी नहीं सकते. तो आइए.
Actually, what happened actually with me na, like I know everything before practicing. Okay, means any answer I am able to like answer it. Okay, any question. Okay, but in while interview time, okay, so I'm just little bit confused actually. Okay, means where we can start. Okay, so
यस,
just yeah, so that is my like maybe you can say that like it's my weakness. I think maybe I'm
यस,
not
यस.
saying it's my not weakness
ओके,
perfectly,
ओके.
but maybe it's like just weakness actually. So I know everything. Okay, I know like each and everything, but in like if I'm starting interview, okay, so that time I'm just feel like no, no, if I am saying something na it's wrong or right.
यस,
So
यस.
it's just या
यस, यही तो हमें कम करना ही। आपको ऐसा लगता है, हर एक को लगता है ऐसा कि मतलब पता तो सब है, बट इंटरव्यू में जाने के बाद
हाँ
क्या
हाँ
होता है
हाँ,
पता है? अरे ये सही होगा क्या, मैं सही तो बता रहा हूँ कि बता रही
करेक्ट,
हूँ,
हाँ
ऐसे
हाँ
होता
हाँ
है।
हाँ
तो ये चीज
हाँ
ना
हाँ।
होने के लिए आपको बार बार प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी, बार बार इंटरव्यू देने पड़ेंगे, तब ये आपकी जो गलत फहमी है, गलत फहमी है, बिकॉज सारी चीजें पता है हमें, मतलब सब कुछ पता है, बट बताने के टाइम थोड़ा सा हमें डर लगता है कि अरे
हाँ
सही है
हाँ
या
हाँ
गलत है।
हाँ,
तो ये
करेक्ट, हाँ।
चीजें कम करने के लिए आपको ज्यादा से ज्यादा मॉक इंटरव्यू आपको देने पड़ेंगे। आप फिर से कोर जावा प्रिपेयर करो, हम इसके ऊपर और इंटरव्यू लेंगे, एडवांस जावा आप चाहते हो तो उसके भी ऊपर लेंगे, ठीक है? और जो भी देख
Yes,
रहे हैं
yes.
आपको भी देना है,
So
तो
definitely,
आप
actually,
इसे,
will you means will you give one more chance actually? So
यस
improve
यस
my this
एब्सोल्युटली,
yeah.
वॉट एवर
So it's
चांसेस यू
maybe
नीड
it will
आई
be
विल गिव
better
यू
for
चांस।
me actually only. Yeah,
यस,
sorry.
जितने भी चांसेस चाहिए मैं तो सभी को कह रहा हूँ, आपको बस बस आना है। स्टूडेंट आते नहीं है, घबराते हैं, घबराते रह जाओगे तो वैसे ही रह जाओगे, बिकॉज मेनी ऑफ स्टूडेंट है कॉन्फिडेंस की वजह से इंटरव्यू में सिलेक्शन नहीं होता, इंटरव्यू के
Yes,
सामने
yes,
जाने
yes.
के बाद डरते हैं। तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहते
Yeah.
तो आप आइए इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे जो कि फ्री आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ। जितने भी आप इंटरव्यू
Yes.
चाहोगे मैं आपके लूंगा, आप बस आओ। ठीक है, तो हम यहाँ पर रुकेंगे। थैंक यू मनस्वानी, आप ज्वाइन होने के लिए, बिकॉज सॉरी फॉर दैट, आपका नाम मुझे लेने के लिए मतलब थोड़ा सा दिक्कत। क्या आपका नाम मनस्वनी ना?
Manashwini. Yeah.
मनस्वनी, ओके। यहाँ पे जो दिख रहा है मनस्वनी ऐसे कुछ तो दिख रहा है, बट डोंट वरी, नाम कुछ भी हो, आपने आपका इंटरव्यू बहुत अच्छा दिया है, और इसका बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट को फायदा भी होगा, वो आंसर्स भी कलेक्ट करेंगे और प्रिपेयर भी करेंगे। और आई होप गाइज आप भी इस इंटरव्यू को देखकर आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा, आपका नॉलेज में
Yeah,
कुछ
yes.
तो बड़ा
Sure,
होगा,
sure.
ऐसे मैं होप
This
करता
is
हूँ।
my first actually video conference actually. First time.
Okay, okay,
Because
no problem,
yeah.
it's also good. Yes. Okay, so we will
Yeah.
meet again, Manswani. Okay. So for that
Okay,
now
okay.
we'll
Thank you.
stop.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you.